push it all the way.
I am pushing it all the way. Fuck, I can't even push it.
Just push it with the damn finger and fucking around.
If you do a fucking bzz sound or anything like that, I swear to God, I'm coming up fucking swinging. Dude, I just don't trust you. I have zero fucking faith in you. It's gonna fucking shock me. I know it is. What is it gonna do then?
No, that's just, I'm just trying to see if it works, if it dims the lights.
Then why are you pushing that button?
I'm not. I'm getting ready to hit the...
I can't push it all the way. That's all I can push it.
You want to try it, Chelsea?
Whoa! You're gonna fucking do that. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Now I'll never push that button again. You better hope you never need my help, because I'm never